Today in history. 1st January 1995. Bright and optimistic. Geneva, Switzerland. Dear Diary, today was a really big day because the World Trade Organization, or WTO, started. I was in Geneva, Switzerland, with my parents who work in trade. I got to see so many important people from different countries talking about how to make trade better. Everyone seemed really excited, and I could feel that something special was happening. The reason all these people were meeting is that after the big war a long time ago, the world wanted to be friends and help each other grow. They decided that if countries shared things and traded fairly, everyone would be happy. A long time ago, they even made something called GATT to start helping with this idea. But it was time to make something even better and bigger. So many things changed over the years. A lot of countries were having trouble with trade, like when some people didn't want to share what they had. My dad said that it was important for everyone to work together so they could be stronger. That's why they held the Uruguay round where they decided to create the WTO to help fix those problems. Today, when the WTO was announced, I saw flags from all over the world and people cheering. There were delegates from 128 countries, all dressed in nice suits, and it felt like a big celebration. Everyone was really happy because they believed this would make trading much easier. The best part for me was seeing the big smiles on people's faces as they shook hands. I heard some important people talking about how if countries have disputes or fights over trade, they can come to the WTO to sort it out. That's really cool because it means everyone can stay friends and talk about their issues together instead of arguing. It made me feel safe to know that countries are working together to help each other. I even met a girl my age whose dad is a minister for trade in another country. She told me that she hopes the WTO will help her country get more toys and books from other places in the world. It was exciting to think about how we can all share things and learn from each other, and I can't wait to tell my friends back home about it.